One of the challenges that these scuba divers face, like all of the marine life in this video, is that they're living at a greater pressure than would be found at sea level. They have the weight of all of this water over them. But obviously, life goes down to the very bottom of the ocean, which is far deeper with a far greater pressure. And microbes have not only been found at the bottom of the ocean, where pressure is enormous, but even in the subsurface deep underneath the ocean sediments. Microbes which can survive at these great pressures are known as barophiles or piezophiles. The difference is that while barophiles was the original term, it technically refers to weight, while piezophiles technically refers to pressure, but the two are comparable. Now, these extremophiles not only have to deal with a great pressure, but those living at the bottom of the ocean have to deal with very cold temperatures, while those which live in the rock strata underneath the ocean, they have to be thermophiles living at much higher temperatures. The greatest pressure that an organism is known to exist in is Thermococcus piezophilus, which can live at more than 18,000 pounds per square inch. How do these organisms do this? There would not necessarily be one set of adaptation, since different organisms, including eukaryotes like invertebrates, fungi, and others, can be found at the bottom of the ocean. And so the adaptations of, say, different groups of bacteria and different groups of eukaryotes to high pressures could vary. But in general, it is often found that the amino acid sequences of proteins are slightly modified. And it is often observed that there is a greater than normal abundance of specific amino acids, such as arginine, serine, valine, aspartic acid, and glycine, which presumably help adapt proteins to life at higher pressures. Other changes which seem to serve as adaptations for life at greater depths include the utilization of more multi-protein complexes, where different proteins interact with each other, presumably stabilizing each other, and a higher fatty acid content in cell membranes.